Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2025 Mercedes E450 full wrap with Xpel's Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We also added a ceramic coating over the paint protection film, as we do on most cars like this Cybertruck, this full wrap Chevy ZR2, the full wrap on this GX, the Macan, and whatever else we got going over there. Ceramic's very common to put over PPF. Gives it a nice slick coat, gives it some extra UV protection, and keeps it cleaner a little bit longer, but the ceramic is definitely a plus. And generally, when you do it with a full wrap, it's discounted. Don't ever let anybody try to hit you with a prep fee. Obviously, when the film goes on, you have a brand new surface that was just taken out of a box. So the prep is simply just wiping it down with a certain product. So technically there's no prep fee, so when the ceramic goes over the PPF, it's a little bit cheaper than as if it was being prepped for a paint surface and things like that. So anyway, that's how it works here at Clearbrow, North Dallas. But let's go over the full wrap real quick. I got a lot to get to today. Like I said, 2025 E450, and let's take a look. Here's our full hood, nice and clear, prepped properly. No debris in the hood, no adhesive marks. Some think that when you put PPF on a car, it just goes on real simple and you're done. There's a lot of things that can happen in the installation, from solutions being not mixed properly, from mishandling, from stretching too hard, and on and on and on. And then there's also paint issues like debris in the paint, base coat, clear coat, that some people can't get out or you can't get out. So it's common today to have dust nibs and fish eyes and runs in paint. So unfortunately, that's the way it goes. We see it on every car you can imagine. But some are excessive, some are not. Let's continue around here. So there's our hood, our medallion. We take that off, real simple, and then that way we go over. There's no line around it. No line because, one, it's giving it full protection. Two, it's less area that could possibly lift. Like this edge here, the header of the bumper, fully wrapped around. Another area where there won't be any lift because there's no edge. Now this black bezel has an edge because there's nowhere to wrap. Can it possibly lift if it gets hit with about 3,000 plus PSI up close? But there's no reason to do that. That's gonna be something that you need to make sure when you're washing your car. Going through here, all this is all wrapped around. This whole bumper, all this is all wrapped underneath and around. This black piece is done. I did this little chrome piece. All these caps for the tow hooks are done. The behind there's apparently a component for computer stuff for the car, cruise control or whatever, or lane assist, I don't know, but we cover that as well. And then the fenders fully wrapped in here. This is a big deal for me, wrapping all this, wrapping these tips, wrapping the corners of the hood. I don't have any available edges. Coming around here, no available edges. This little trim comes off simple. You just pull on it, and that way we can get everything. Here's the back of your hood, fully wrapped in. The corners, fully wrapped in. All these edges on this fender and A-pillar, fully wrapped in. The doors and the fenders, fully wrapped in behind. So again, no edges, nothing that could potentially peel up. These doors, we fully wrap inside here. There's enough room, so we do it. The mirrors, we don't piece them like it shows in the patterns. It's all one section. Of course, there's an edge here because there's nowhere to really wrap it, but chances are of it lifting are slim and none. If it wraps, come see us, we'll replace it. We don't ask any questions, even if you made the mistake. So coming to the back here real quick, nicely wrapped in. All this fuel door area, nicely wrapped in, all behind. Under the trim here, fully wrapped in. This comes off super easy. But other than that, that's a quick tutorial on Clearbrow, North Dallas, and wrapping everything in. I know it's not for everybody to have all the edges wrapped, but truly if you want the most out of the product, if you're keeping your car a year or so, why even wrap it? But this young lady keeps her cars 2-3 years. She wants all the money she can on a trade by turning in a car that's fully wrapped. And what's impressive, when the dealer looks at it every time, just like my cars, they appraise it and they don't even know it's wrapped. Then she tells them it's fully wrapped in paint protection film. A majority of the dealers really like the paint protection film and now add it to the ad when they advertise or when they show it. So just depends. I'm not saying that's across the board, but Some do, some don't. I don't think everybody really cares, but majority of the dealers I deal with, they love paint protection that's done right and on a car like this. So, all right, there you go. clearbrownnorthdallas.com is our web address. Email clearbrownnorthdallas@gmail.com. A handy phone number for us, 214-414-3809. Another one, 940-600-1308. If you go to our website, everything's at the top, contact us page, and so forth. So I'm Brent. I appreciate you guys watching our channel. If you can follow us and like us, that would be great. And any questions, I get questions from all over the US. I certainly take time out to answer those and help you out. So take care and have a great day.